Hi everyone. Today we're going to be doing lemon dill potato wedges cooked in the air fryer. What all do we need for our lemon dill potato wedges? 3 russet potatoes washed and dried and cut into wedges, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 lemon zested and juice removed, and 1/2 tablespoon fresh dill, or if you don't have the fresh, 1 teaspoon dried. So let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees, which it is already set. So first you want to go ahead and cut your potato in half. And then cut each half in half. And each quarter in half. So each potato should make 8 wedges. And I'll go ahead and finish that up. So after you have them all cut in wedges, you want to go ahead and pour the olive oil over them and go ahead and just toss it. And as soon as the air fryer is preheated, we'll go ahead and put them in the basket. Okay, so the air fryer is preheated. We'll go ahead and spray the basket with cooking spray. And we'll go ahead and add the potatoes, and I hope I can get them all to fit. You want them in a single layer. If you can get them all standing up, you can fit more on there. It's just a matter of trying to get them to stand up. And that looks like that's about all I'm going to be able to get on that. I only have about 3 slices left. So we want to go ahead and put the lid on. It's already set at 400 degrees. So you want to put the timer for between 18 and 22 minutes. And they need to cook for 18 to 22 minutes until the outsides are golden brown and crispy and the insides are light and fluffy. All right, so they look done. So I'm going to go ahead and carefully remove them and put them on a platter so we can season them. So you want to go ahead and take your 1/2 teaspoon of salt and sprinkle it over the potatoes. Your 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. The zest from 1 lemon. and the juice from 1 lemon. And the 1/2 tablespoon of fresh dill. And there you have it, our air fryer lemon dill potato wedges. Here we have our air fryer lemon dill potato wedges, and rounding off the meal is baked chicken. So let's go get a taste test. All right, so my husband is on the road, so he's missing out on this taste test, and I'm thinking he's gonna really miss out. It looks delicious. So let's go ahead and give it a try. I do love lemon, so I'm thinking it will be very good. That is very, very good. It is crispy on the outside and nice and soft and fluffy on the inside. I was kind of wondering about pouring the lemon juice on top of it, whether it was going to make it soggy or not, but it soaked up the lemon juice really, really well. I definitely am going to be making this again. If you make this, please let me know what you think of it in the comments below, or if you make any modifications, please let me know what they are as well. If you would like me to make any kind of recipe, as long as it's easy, let me know and I'll sure give it a try. Have a good day. Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.